Hey guys, welcome back to Summer Day Studios, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your vectors to pixel art in very simple steps. But before we even start doing that, we're going to make something really sweet and cute, which is going to be a duck. Let me show you what we're going to make. This duck, I found this duck on Pinterest and I thought he looked adorable. I'm going to try and make him in Illustrator, and then I'm going to try and convert his design into vectors. So let's get started. I started with a sketch inspired from this image in Pinterest. Then I made this vector, and then I use this mesh gradients, add some shading to it, and then I also use different parts. So if you can see here, these are different paths. We add some more highlights on specific areas and more mesh gradients to give it a like painted look. Obviously you can add more detail to it if you like to. I'm gonna leave it here for now, and I'm gonna now show you exactly what you need to do. What I've done already is selected all of these layers because I had all of these parts in different layers and combined them all together. So I'm going to select the whole group. Then I'm going to go to Object and I'm going to click on Rasterize. Keep the color model to RGB, resolution high, background white. You can have it transparent as well. And then anti-aliasing as none. So then we click on that. And now this is an image. So you can see all the layers are gone. Now I'm gonna do the next thing, which is go on Object again and create Object Mosaic. Now here I'm gonna space it out. I'll add in the number of tiles I would like to see. So let's say if I want to change one of these criterias, so I don't want the width of the tile to be 32, maybe I want it to be 40, and then I click on Use Ratio. It automatically adjusts the height to match the width. Okay, so now don't touch anything else, and I'm just going to click OK. So there it is. Now this is all grouped, okay, and then that's why we have because we've made it an image, that's why we had this white background around it. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to right click and select Ungroup. Now if you move the pixels out, you can't move them around now without any issue. You see that? You see that? Perfect. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and delete these white rods. I'm going to try and use the Magic Wand tool to do that first. So the Magic Wand tool pretty much it selects the objects which have similar attributes. So I'm going to see if this works because the white color of the background is very similar to the very pale yellow to off-white that I've used. And yeah, you see the problem here. Okay, my fault. Anyway, that's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it just like this. So this might take a bit, so I'm just going to forward this step now. Just like that. I might actually go ahead and change some of these colors here and there. I think I'm pretty happy with this. So this is the pixel that we ended up with. I want a border around it. You know, a border which makes it look like a sticker. So what I'm going to do for that, you can just leave it here, by the way, if you like. But I'm just going to go ahead and do one more step. Just select it all. I'm going to press Alt, and then I'm going to just drag it here. Don't leave the Alt button until you have placed it somewhere else, because otherwise you will move this whole the original illustration right here. Now I'm going to group this. I'm going to go to Properties, Pathfinder, and then combine it all. Yeah, just bear with me, okay? Then I'm going to go to Object, Path, Offset Path, and keep it at 20, which that's what I use. I'm going to keep the joints to round, and then I'm going to keep the midterm limit to 4. And I'm liking how it's looking. Just going to press OK, and then I'm going to combine these two. Now if you place it on it, you will see that it is the shape of your original design. And I'm going to send it back and change the color to an white. Let me do that. And now I'm going to and now you have a sticker, which if I move around here, you can literally put it anywhere you like. That's my finished product. So yeah, literally, if you have any illustration, okay, if you have illustration that you want to change into pixel art, you want to sell it as stickers, you want to put it on your website, you want to use it on your profile pictures, anything like that, you can simply use these steps to make this a very quick version of pixel art. Let me know if you like this video. I know today it was a really quick one, but if you like any of these similar kind of videos, let me know. I would love to make more videos about small things like these that you can do in Illustrator. I would also want to make videos on tools that you can use in Illustrator, different kind of tools like the pen tool, pencil tool, anything like that. So if you would like to see anything else from me, let me know in the comments below. Just so you know that we are a design studio. We do this kind of stuff all the time. So if you have any design requests, logos, branding, 3D modeling, 3D animation, anything like that, if you need any help with that, please just send us an email. Our email is in the description below. And you can also visit our website, which is also in the description below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.